Tired of sifting through disorganized lists in Excel? Let's transform that chaos into clarity. In just a few clicks, you can sort any list alphabetically, making your data work for you, not against you. First, identify the column containing the text data you want to sort. For this example, we'll sort a list of names. Next, navigate to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen. Within the Data tab, locate the sort command, usually represented by an icon with an A, Z, or Z label and an arrow. Clicking sort will open a dialog box. In this box, you'll see a section called Sort By. Click the drop-down arrow next to Sort By and select the header of the column you want to sort. This tells Excel which list to organize. Beneath Sort By, ensure Sort On is set to values and the order is set to A to Z for ascending alphabetical order. If you needed to sort in reverse, you'd choose Z to A. Once you've made your selections, simply click the OK button. And there you have it. Your data is now beautifully organized alphabetically. This simple step drastically improves readability, making your spreadsheets more efficient for analysis and presentations.